everyone, welcome to TechSathi. Today we are going to review Realme Narzo 50i, which was launched in Nepal only a few weeks back. This falls under Realme's entry-level segment and is one of the best affordable phones in the market right now. So stick till the end of the video because we will also announce our giveaway and let you guys know how you can participate in it. So without further ado, let's find out what Realme Narzo 50i is all about. As I had already mentioned, this is an entry-level phone from Realme, so the specs it is offering align with the price range it falls under. Nevertheless, its design and finishing is pretty well done, and this one right here is in a mint green color, which looks pretty sleek and decent for an entry-level device. Now let's talk about its most special feature, which is its battery. It has a 5000 mAh battery, which is expected to last for about 2 or 2.5 days on medium users like calls, text or social media users. I think this will serve great as a secondary phone if you are somebody who travels a lot and do not have time to charge your phone. Also, it could be a good work phone as the battery is top-notch and supports reverse charging. Talking about its display, it has a 6.5 inches LCD screen and supports 400 nits brightness, which I think is pretty good for its price. It's quite lightweight and runs with Android 11 and Realme Go UI. And not to forget, this one we have is in its 2GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, but that does not affect its performance while using social media and inbuilt apps. Also, light games can be played on this phone due to the blessing of Realme Go's UI features. There's a chance to get advanced features as well because of Android 11. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core 1.6 GHz processor, and it also supports dual SIM, which is quite a lifesaver if you are considering this as your work phone. Now let's talk about its camera. So if I'm being very honest, the camera of Realme Narzo 50i is not that great, but it does a good job of producing decent quality images. And if we consider the price we are paying for this phone, the images are not that bad. When the images are shot in daylight, the color and contrast is pretty good, thanks to the combination of its 8MP primary camera and AI rendering. Likewise, the 5MP selfie camera is also powered by Beauty Enhancer, which makes the images look quite good. It is also capable of shooting videos on 1080p, which look fair enough. So the samples are on your screen, you can look out for yourself. The photos and videos are not that bad. Overall, it is a pretty decent entry-level phone with cool design, awesome battery and average camera and display. I personally think it will serve great as a secondary device if you are somebody who does not have time to charge your phone quite often and you travel a lot. I also think it could make a great work phone. Now let's talk about the most awaited thing, that is giveaway. So we are giving away this phone to one lucky winner as a part of our New Year giveaway. So to participate, all you have to do is like this video, leave a small comment down below and subscribe to our channel. So you will automatically be qualified for the giveaway. And we will announce the result through our Instagram live on 31st December. So stay tuned and follow us on our social media handles as well. So that's it guys, best wishes.